Yotalicious!
I've been thinking.
Welcome back to Yotalicious, part 3 of the Dually Tacoma project. Today we have to prepare that dually differential by grinding its perches and taking the wheels off. Okay, we have a little bit of cleanup to do, as you can see. Left over some rust, a couple of weld marks, but nothing that we can't polish out. Now that's way smoother, letting us push that perch out to where we need it to be at our 42-inch perch width. I still have this guy that I have to clean up, take down some of the welds that were there, put a little bit of a bevel on it to allow for some really good penetration of the welder. We're gonna have to repeat that entire process on the other side, so grab yourself a drink and chill out, man. You might be wondering why I'm using air power and a grinder. I don't have the room to get a grinder on the inside, so I have to use air power to nibble away at that weld. On this side, I can use the welder to cut away at it pretty efficiently though. A couple hammer strike and it forms the crack, and when I start that crack, I can just peel those off without leaving much damage. As you can see on the other side, it leaves a nice clean mirror finish. We have the wheels off now. I can't wait to show you what it's getting. Let's take a peek into the future. We have those perches off and I've cleaned the differential as best as I can. We found some really good tires. Now join us next week as we put those 4 tires underneath our Dually Tacoma project, part 4. Welcome back to Yotalicious. Join us for the next step. Drawing a blank here. Today I have to grind away the perches before we can get to the next step. Me, man. Grinding the perches off to see what we're left with and see what we have to do with the rest of the project. Today I have to prepare and grind those perches off, as well as take the wheels off and prepare those dualies. Why am I preparing so much? Share the out of this stuff. I mean, like, send it to your grandma, your aunt, The coffee is good. Well, you're going the heck.
That's so mean.
So what am I joining you with? Meow meow. You want a wrench on the Tacoma Dually? Meow meow. People on the internet don't like cats. Meow.